Firstly, remove the seat cushion. Unscrew the seat cushion nut and take off the seat cushion. Next, loosen the nut of the battery baffle. Pinch the buckle and then pull out the battery. Unplug the power plug. Remove the screws from the controller baffle. The same goes for the other side. Take down the controller. Remove the screws from the controller cover plate. The same goes for the other side. Unplug all connected plugs. Remove the screws. Then remove the face wires of the motor. Loosen the rear axle. Loosen the chain adjuster screw with a wrench. The same goes for the other side. Tilt the entire vehicle and turn the rear wheel. Take down the chain. Remove the screws at the bottom of the front baffle. Remove these two screws. Remove the screws from the right baffle. Same operation for the left baffle. Remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the motor. Then take out the motor. Pull out the throttle wire. Remove the screws on the throttle and remove the throttle. Pull off the handlebar cover on the left side. Firstly, install the gear shift switch and the left handle onto the handlebar separately. Install the right throttle onto the handlebar. Tighten the screws at the back. Align the display bracket with the upper connecting plate hole position. Fix and tighten with screws. Unscrew the screws behind the display. The display passes through the bracket and is screwed down at the bottom with screws. Display wire and display docking. Clip the chain onto the sprocket of the motor. Place the motor into the frame. Thread the original screws through the motor baffle. And tighten the screws. Install the chain onto the crankset and rotate the rear wheel. Tighten the locking screw with a wrench. The same goes for the other side. Tighten the nut of the rear wheel axle. Insert the wiring harness into the controller card slot. Install the baffle onto the controller. Thread the screw through and tighten it with a nut. Remove the cover plate of the controller. Remove the battery wire from the original controller. Plug wires for display, DC, wiring harness, and battery. Connect to the negative pole of the controller together. Connect the red wires of the throttle and battery together to the positive pole of the controller. Connect the face wires corresponding to the motor and controller and fix and tighten them with screws. Install the cover plate and tighten the screws. Connect the key wire to the blue wire of the throttle. The throttle wire is connected to the throttle wire of the controller harness. Connect the red wire of the key wire to the red wire of the DC. Connect the yellow wire of DC to the red wire of the display. Connect the yellow wire of the display to the one-line wire. Docking the variable speed switch with the touch 3 gears wire. Connect the shutdown switch to the low brake wire. Connect the whole wire of the motor with the whole wire of the controller. Align the controller baffle with the holes on the frame, thread and secure with screws. The same goes for the other side. Tighten all these screws tightly. The front baffle is fixed with screws. Align the holes and fix them tightly with screws. Tighten the in front two screws. Align the holes and secure them tightly with screws. The same goes for the other side. Tie the wire harness with zip tie. Insert the power plug into the battery. Put the battery in. Put the battery bracket back in original position and stuck the battery. Tighten the nut. Finally, install the seat cushion. Tighten the seat cushion nut. Installation is complete.
You